Thanks for taking a second to check out TargetBay Reviews platform. Now, before I go in and show you our customers and also the back end, I want to take just a minute and show you why reviews are important to have. So the two main reasons why reviews are important to have on your website is SEO value and also increasing your conversion rate. So if you look at this and you see the life cycle of a review, it's just user-generated content being added to your website. The more that you're adding on a daily, on a weekly basis, then the more Google's going to come on and crawl. If you have a static page where you're not adding any new content, then Google's not going to see the need to keep going on there as often as possible. And if that happens, then it could help decrease your page ranking and where you show up on page results, which we do not want that to happen. And reviews also help your site rank for new keywords. As long as the text of the reviews is being indexed into Google so that they're able to see it, then the reviews can open up the door for you to be searchable for the keywords that are used in the reviews that your customers are writing for you. And I'll show you an example of how we do that in just a little minute. We also have rich snippets on search results, and that's actually the star ratings whenever you're looking and you put in a product to look for in a search engine. And when it comes up and you see those star ratings right there, that's what the rich snippets are, which is going to help increase your click-through rate for your search engine results page. Concentrating on those rich snippets, I mentioned it's the star ratings. That's this right here. As you can see, if you're looking between the first two organic listings under the iBlaze and Armor box, this one is definitely going to stand out a little bit more than this one. And statistically, you actually see an increase in your click-through rate by 28% on desktop and 30% on mobile just for having these star ratings. That's definitely something that our developers make sure that you are going to get for your website as long as you have at least one review or more for organic listings. Now, to show you an example of one of our clients, this is Kirby Allison's Hanger Project. You can see that this is a specific product page. They have 24 reviews and 2 questions. If we scroll down just a little bit, then you can see the actual template that we have. So this is the questions to where someone can come in and be able to ask a question or you answer it, and they will automatically get a response through email letting them know your answer the question. But if it's something like this that could be useful in helping other people make the buying decision easier for them, then make sure that you post it onto the website so that others can be able to see it. Then you can also see the reviews right there, all 24 of them. So you can see Michael Sanatelli, it's a verified buyer. You can see great product. That doesn't tell us too much. But this one's a little bit better by David. My new hangers are a perfect set for completing my new closet. They're beautiful and keep my clothes accessible and looking their best. Thank you, Hanger Project. So it's going into detail about the closets and hangers, and it even uses their name in there. This is going to be great keywords that can be used to help increase your search results. Listing number. So one of the things we can do is if I just actually copy and search Google for this specific product, if we go down to the first organic listing, you can see it right there. Hanger Project Sweater Hangers. We can see a rating of 4.9 and 24 reviews. So Hanger Project is making sure that they have those rich snippets. Everything is up to date by showing that. Now, I also mentioned one thing that we can do is make sure that the text of your reviews is being seen by Google. We do that through Google Structured Data Testing tool. This tool gives you as a business and also developers being able to see what Google sees on your website, how they're classifying your pages. So if I put in Hanger Projects product page right here for the sweater hangers, takes just a second to load, but it's going to give me a breakdown on how they see the website. So you can see product, question, review. And if we actually click in here, it's being sent to Google for each of the reviews. So here's the first one, saying it's by Michael. The name is great product and the review body is great product. That's great. Let's see. And here's the one by David that goes into more details. This is how you know for sure that Google's able to see these reviews. A lot of other review companies out there, they don't take this step to make sure the individual text of the reviews is being seen. And that's very important to make sure you're getting. This is how you are going to be able to put more into your organic searches and can take away spending so much on your AdWords and also for Google Shopping. Granted, it's a great way for using those for a marketing source, but this way you can at least be able to decrease it because organically you would be showing up higher up on the search engines and also in more search engines as well too. So that's how we're going to make sure that you're being seen by the text and also by the number of the reviews. How we collect our reviews, I can show you right here in our dashboard. So this is a TargetBay dashboard. It gives you a glimpse of how you're doing with any one of our products. We have 3 other ones other than the reviews, and that's going to be personalized emails, behavioral pop-ups, product recommendations, and we also have advertisements as well. So that can be anything from ad roll to Facebook advertisements. So if I go to the reviews and questions and answers, if I click on manage, anytime that you get a new review, there are 3 different ways that you can be able to approve it or push it through. So the first way is that you're going to get an email letting you know when you get one. You can be able to approve it in that email. You can come in here under manage and go under new and unread, read over the review. You can publish it, you can delete it, you can mark it not approved. Or you can set up an auto-publish feature, so if anything's 4 or 5 stars, it could automatically be pushed through. We also have the Facebook integration to where we'll have a Facebook tab on the page to where you can see all of your reviews by TargetBay. We have it to where you can send a post, one of these reviews, as a Facebook post, and we also do have the Facebook advertisements as well. So you have the option of being able to do any of these. You can be able to comment back to where you can comment back to Salvador, but you don't necessarily have to mark it approved so the whole website and everyone on the internet can see. So you can comment back and mark it not approved if it's something you would wish not to share. Now we do recommend making sure that if you have a couple of 2 stars or even perhaps a couple 1 stars, it is good to have those being shown as long as you're able to comment back and show that you are addressing that customer's issue. That goes a good way for your customer success too. In terms of managing your tools, we have a targeted bulk review request. So if you're not working with any other third-party companies trying to actively collect reviews from your customers, we can go into your order history and be able to pull that information and send out those review requests to people who have previously placed with you. This can go back as far as you would like. We typically recommend doing a 6-month and then doing year one, but you can go back as far as the website's been around. In terms of collecting reviews going forward, we do it in a 2-step process. So the first step is going to be for collecting site reviews, and that's going to be done with order comments. Now with the order comments, it's going to be a pop-up. It can say anything from please share with us the reasons why you purchased this product, or it can lean more on the site review side, which is typically what this will go towards, to where you thank the customer for shopping with you, and then you can ask them how their website experience was, to how do they like the brand. This can be as much feedback for your brand and your website as it can be for visitors on there as well. You can have this on or off, it depends on what you would like to do. And you can also be able to gather this data without even pushing it to the website. This right here is going to show up on this little side widget right here to where you can see all product reviews and site reviews. So that's going to be there, and it shows up on the very first page of your website. So right on that home page, people are able to see reviews and why they should choose you. This is going to help be able to decrease your bounce rate. So we gain site reviews by the order comments, which is just a pop-up at the very end of the checkout process. They get that order confirmation. They see this. They're able to do the stars and write a review quickly because we're making it simple for them. We see a high conversion from being able to get reviews this way. Now, after we do that and the item has been ordered or it has been shipped, we'll send out a review request form. So this is going to have a custom header fitting your brand. Then we're going to have a call to action. Included in this, you can be able to put a incentive such as a discount code. Again, that's one of the features. You don't have to use it. It's something that we offer if you would like to do it. Or if you want to do some A/B testing, you're able to turn on and off any of these features anytime that you want to right up here. It'll automatically pull in a picture of the product name. We set on 5 stars, give your review title, and write your review. And they can hit submit your review. So this is all inside of the email that was sent to them, making it very easy for them to give their feedback. You can see how it would look like on desktop, and then how it would look on mobile. Since this day and age, you have a lot of people that are using their mobile devices to be able to check their email. After they hit submit your review, then they're then going to be prompted to include a photo in this as well. We have several different settings that you can be able to use. This is going to be sent out from TargetBay, from our email system, but we can say that it's coming from you, and that if they reply to it, then it would be going to your email address instead of to us. We'll have the email preview text, we'll have the subject line. Again, we'll put the industry's best standards in there, but we can also be able to do any testing to see what will work best for you. Now, we will only ask for one product to be reviewed during an order. If there were multiple products that were ordered, we've done a lot of A/B testing with it, and we saw that it was just an issue trying to get people to do more than one review, that they typically wouldn't even leave a review. So when we ask for it, we'll ask for either the least reviewed product or the most expensive product. So whichever one you would prefer. And again, just like all of the other features, you can come in and change that at any time. Then you can change however many days this can be sent out. It can be after order is completed or after it has been shipped. So we have a very deep integration with your platform. So when it's been marked shipped in your platform, we can be able to have this triggered to send 14 days after that. If at any time that an item has been returned during that 14 days before it's been sent out, then TargetBay will hold that review request and not send it out since they've gotten the notification it's been returned. We can also segment out users if for some reason there's a specific customer group or a specific product that you would not like to ask your customers to review, then we can be able to do that here. And you can also do up to 3 follow-up emails as well, sending this out however many days after you would like it. So this one's set up to be 20 days after the original. This one's set up to be 25 days and then 30. Also, you can turn these on and off very easily. This is drag and drop. If you wanted to add in anything, you can do HTML code. You can do personalization. So if you want to add in some recommended products to kind of just be like, hey, you should look at this next, then you can be able to do that. You would just prop this in over there. And this will show recommended products based on an algorithm through TargetBay. So it'll automatically fill it in based on what they bought and what other people have bought as well. Then we have the review coupons where you can be able to send out the coupons after it has been either the review has been approved or after it's been submitted. You can also do a reminder with it. Create a sense of urgency, reminding people that they only have 30 more days to be able to use that coupon that you were giving to them. And then remind them again 24 hours or 48 hours before that coupon's going to expire. Just keep being in front of them, not in an intrusive way, but just almost as in like a calendar reminder kind of thing. Just getting in front of them so that they remember. We also have Facebook badges, so you can show your credibility and how many reviews that you have that are verified. Then we have the Facebook reviews tab where you can show all of the reviews for TargetBay. If you are using any other review system, whether it be through your platform, such as like Shopify, Magento, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce, or if you're using another third-party reviews company, we can be able to import your reviews in here using a CSV file. On the flip side, if you ever decide to leave, then you can be able to export right here. So that's our review system. You can always go to the settings as well too to be able to personalize any of it. And you can also go to the reports to be able to see a detailed viewing of how your reviews are doing and how the review requests went as well. So thank you for checking out TargetBay reviews. If you have any questions, please contact us. You can contact us through contactus@targetbay.com, or you can also call 678-793-0049. Thank you and have a good day.